previously on my last day in Sendai. Right, we have made it to Ishinomaki. I actually don't know if I'll make it back in time. I don't want to leave on the last ferry because I want to get back home early. I still need to go to Matsushima Bay and I have to go to Tokyo tomorrow. I need to run because I don't think I'm going to make it in time. I have a little bit over 20 minutes and Google Maps says I need 30 minutes to get there. So, oh, I see it. I see it. I've got 3 minutes left. Oh, what? It just left. I heard a door. Ain't no way, bro. Please. Please. I don't see anyone else here, though. Which leads us to this video. Thankfully, my eyes deceived me and the ferry was arriving rather than departing like I initially thought. And I made it literally with 1 minute to spare until departure. I could have stayed another hour to chill with the cats more and take the last ferry, but I wanted to check out somewhere else as that place closes at 5 PM. And that place was called Fukuurajima, located a 30-minute train ride and a bit of a walk from Ishinomaki. It has a cool looking bridge and is basically near one of the top 3 most scenic places in Japan, Matsushima Bay. So while in the area, I thought I might as well check it out. When I got back, I first checked out the cool looking temple place I skipped past before. Guess I can have a look at this place. Take a quick photo real quick. Oh, that's nice. Crazy how these places are everywhere in Japan and mostly unguarded. And after seeing some cool anime figures on the road, I made my way back to the station where I purchased the ticket and got a ride to Takagimachi Station, which then I was able to walk a bit to where I needed to go and I guess explore more of a typical Japanese small town. Very small station. Oh, we got a honey and lemon. They had Red Bull. I really want Red Bull, but it's cold. Oh, it's raining. No, it's raining. Fuck. Oh, good. Oh, that honey and lemon shit is the bomb. They did forecast it was gonna rain. But at night. But it looks like this part of the places, this part of the place is already raining. Drizzling. I am incredibly tired. Like, that killed me. I wish I had more time to spend with the cats. I didn't know that hike was going to take so long. It had really good views though. But I wish I could have seen the cats again. Like I said, wait, let me actually detach this camera. Can't be bothered getting out my high quality camera. I might get it out for the bridge, which is the main part, but other than that, nah. This is the bomb, honey and lemon. But anyway, yeah, look, like I said, I could have spent the whole day, days on end with those cats. But it was really cold just sitting there, so I had to move on. That was... I'm sad I'm not going to be able to see that place in a while. I just walked in a dead end. I thought you could go through here. Fuck it. Here's the thing. I have time. I just need to plan out, like, when the next train comes, because I actually think it's once every hour. That's why I was rushing to get on that one, as you saw. Because if I didn't get on that one, I'd have to wait 30 minutes to an hour more, I think. Wow. Look, do you see that? It's this garden. What an aesthetic place, even in the smallest of towns. You find aesthetic things. Jeez. I wasn't able to record it, but fuck, that was scary. I was sneezing my nose because I have so much snot in my nose. Some lady was like staring outside a window. The fuck, bro? Out of respect for the people living here, the residents, I'm not gonna film them or film their properties. I don't want to act too sus, but let me just say, like, walking around here, this looks like a rich neighborhood. Like, the houses look so majestic, especially the ones I just passed. Holy. Yeah, the snow on top of the trees, it makes it look better. Like, more, I don't know, more aesthetic, yeah. Is this a hotel? I actually think this is a hotel. Glass Museum. It's closed though. It closes at 1 p.m. Which is funny. It's on Google at least, 9:30 to 1 p.m. And I trust Google in Japan. Google Maps, that is. In Korea, not so much. In Korea, it misled me. And I've noticed that in Korea, I don't know, the Google Maps thing isn't that accurate, and also just Western technology like Find My Apple shit doesn't work. Even though I feel like Korea has more of a, you know, connection between the West. Oh. Right, that's a nice view. Too bad it's kind of raining, kind of foggy. The weather's pretty shit, but at least I'll say, like, I've wanted to come here. I just wish the weather was better. Right, making a short pit stop. The great thing about it is 7-Eleven toilets, baby. One thing I do love about Japan is that even in the middle of nowhere, you find 7-Elevens and vending machines. To be fair, I haven't seen a vending machine in quite some time, but we saw 7-Eleven. $5 and something, I can't remember, $5.50, I can't remember the price, but for one Red Bull, one bottle of water, and the energy jelly again. I don't know if that was worth it. I think it costs the same as if I was, well, the mineral water bottle costed $1. You know what? No. If that, wait, hold on. If I got the same bottle of water, 600 ml, if it comes in a small package that's convenient like that, at home it would cost at least $2. Here it costs $1. AUD, that is, Australian dollars. Oh, look at this. See how aesthetic it is? But yeah, back home, a big bottle costs more than, less. So it costs maybe even $1 or more less than a small bottle. And you might be thinking, why? The bigger bottle is so much bang for buck, you know what I mean? But that's the thing, you're paying for convenience more than anything. And impulse. Yeah. Because most people, if you're on the move, you gotta obviously want a small bottle. The big bottle's only if you're, you know, using it at home. Fuck, bro. Look at this. Whoa. Now, I'm definitely going the right way. I know that. In terms of if I'm going the right way and the wrong way. First of all, this is sketch. I don't see any other people walking through. This place is hella echoey. This doesn't even look like a place pedestrians can walk through. But I do know it gets me there. So, it's the right and the wrong way. I have an hour there. There's a cool looking bridge and an island. Now there's a lot of hotels that look very cool here. Like there. I was gonna stay in one, but I think they were all sold out of the days that I wanted to be here, and they're more expensive for some reason. Oh, we made it. Holy shit. You're fucking sucking me off. What the fuck? I think it's only because it's bad weather that I don't see anyone here, or hardly anyone. It's only bad weather, but Jesus, you beauty.
The camera doesn't capture how beautiful it actually was, I swear. But when I was planning this Japan journey, this was a place that caught my eye just because of how scenic it looks. Only thing I regret was not being able to bring my drone. I only didn't because I learned that Japan drone laws were pretty strict. And once we got on the bridge, it looked even better. So Matsushima Bay is basically a group of small islands covered by pine trees. An even better way to enjoy the bay is by taking a cruise. And I imagine it to be even better in the summer, where you might even be able to swim in the water even.
What a spectacular view. It's just a shame that the weather's not exactly the best. But that means less crowds, I guess. So there are gates, like I showed you guys, at the front. Closes at 5. A lot of things in Japan, man. It's either they open late or they close early, or you really have to plan ahead, because sometimes it's annoying.
So it seems this island specifically doesn't have too much on it, but is mainly kind of like a very scenic hiking trail.
Alright, I just took a bomb-ass photo. I have 30 minutes to explore this place. Hold on, here's another bomb-ass photo. I like taking bomb-ass photos, don't mind me. Oh, that's good. That is good. Yeah, but of myself, a bomb-ass photo of myself on the bridge. Using the selfie stick again, because I have no one here. This would be a great place. What's that? Looks close, but this would be a great place during the summer. Oh, it'd be an amazing place in the summer. There's mud everywhere. In winter, mud everywhere, snow everywhere, cold. Oh, but in summer, this place would be fucking good. It is starting to rain. Drizzling. But still, I'd say it's semi-hard. So I'm just going to use my GoPro because it's more weather resistant than my high quality mirrorless camera. That camera's probably fine too, but like, I'm at a stage where I'm really tired. And that shit's heavy enough to tire me out, so. It looks like a toilet place. Looks like everyone's heading back. It does close soon. This is a big island, actually. Might even be close to Tashiro.
Nope, not even close, buddy. Fukuurajima actually was massive, like maybe 4 times how big this place was. This place, I'd say, is definitely more scenic though. But in terms of the amount of things you can do, that place has this one beat.
The fact that you do see snow everywhere though does make it look cool. Way cooler than if there was snow. It wasn't. Fuck, again, dog. Still in Japanese. Oh wait. Shrine Grass Park. Yeah, winter. There's not gonna be any grass park in winter. Go to the pavilion. Just gonna walk around.
Overall, this is a place you don't have to go. I just wanted to go to see if it was good or not. But in terms of if you have to, the Cat Island is a must visit if you love cats. But this place isn't really a must visit, even if you love scenic views. The bridge part might be the coolest part of it all.
Damn. The snow is a vibe. 100%. It's like I reach a dead end.
But that dead end reached another scenic viewpoint. You know what? It might make it worthwhile if you take a cruise in the summer though, and explore the other islands in the area.
Please don't tell me this is a dead end. Wow, this place is majestic. Okay, it is a dead end. I wish we could like go to there. You see the rocks there? This isn't Matsushima Bay, but you can see Matsushima Bay. We are in Matsushima, and it's known as one of the three sites of Japan, like the ones if you're into sightseeing sites.
Yeah, I already told him that. Anyway, being the daredevil that I am, I decided to jump over some rocks. It didn't look like it, but on the other side of those rocks I was on was just straight water. But now this would be a good place to take a dive and swim around in the summer.
I need some energy.
So during all this, one thing I didn't mention was I was taking a bunch of photos on my phone with a selfie stick, and although I didn't record it when I took this one on my way back, I saw someone come up to me almost and shouted something in Japanese, which was weird. I didn't understand, obviously. I can only imagine it was because it was closing time, as you can hear in the background here. But funny thing is, as soon as I was exiting, I saw more people walk into the island.
Huh. It's past 5, but it's actually closed. Very interesting. I took some more banging shots. But I think it's time to leave. My train comes in 20 minutes-ish. Japan, the place of convenience. Right, that's it for today. I don't think I'm going to record at all anymore because I am buggered. If you don't know what buggered means, it means I'm so tired. I feel like shit. Today was probably the hardest day since the first day, or technically the second day in Seoul, where I walked 40k steps. Today was probably the second hardest day. Doing both is doable, but it doesn't allow you much breathing room, you know. And I wish I could have stayed to pet the cats in Tashiro Island more, but it is what it is. I don't know if I'll film anymore, but I'll take the train, go back to the hotel, maybe eat out, maybe not, maybe just eat some ramen in the hotel room. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Like, sub, comment. I never say that because, well, if you like the content, you'll do it regardless, so it goes without saying. But yeah, my arm is so tired, even holding a small GoPro, so until next time. Oh, my favourite. Cute kawaii girl. Also my favourite.
So I ended up eating out since the only thing I had this day was a sandwich from Family Mart, I'm pretty sure. Then I had yet another classic traditional Sendai meal, which was rice and egg with a steaming hot pot of stuff like tofu, meat, and mushrooms, and some more beef tongue. And I desperately needed that after a freezing cold day. I honestly don't know if I was eating it right though. Probably not. But afterwards we headed back to the station, and back to Sendai we went.
Today, I fought a war, and I won. But there may be repercussions.
Such as getting even more sick than I already did, right before the most exciting part of my trip to Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka? Please God no. So I hope you enjoyed this 2-part series. I know this video wasn't too much, but I had to make do with the content that I had. Now, on to Tokyo.